Now please get ready to get some tips on exam stress. Most of you deal with exam stress. That means you got pressure and you got anxiety. And now the point is how to deal with exam stress. So to deal with exam stress, here are some tips from our seniors. So please get ready. The first person we have is Nikhil Wade.
So I've been asked some tips on how to beat exam stress. For the result, think about how to get there. As long as you feel that you've done your best and stretched yourself to the maximum level you can, it doesn't matter whether you score 50% or 70% or maybe even 95%. Anything can happen. Don't make your parents' expectations your own expectations. Don't get stressed about exams. It's nothing that big. It's nothing that's scary, to be honest. Just give it with confidence and good luck.
Honor to Principal Ma'am and all the teachers, and a very good morning to my friends here. Today I'm going to tell you how to deal with exam stress. Now, simply speaking, the best way to deal with exam stress is to study, and to study in the right way. So first of all, you should make a timetable from right now, a timetable for everything and every day. By every day I mean holidays, days you have school, days you have IPL, and make sure it's flexible and you have a maximum of 30% of your time while you're awake as free time. Last but not the least, avoid last minute revisions. Yes, as it leads to stress, and stress is not good for performing well. Just enjoy it the most, but study from right now, do daily study, and best of luck guys. It was nice talking to you.
Good morning everyone. So how to relieve stress? So first of all, it is very important to relax yourself up, and if you get time, you should perform yoga exercises every morning. It would also help to build up your concentration. Make sure that you understand each and every topic so that at the end you do not have to revise all over it again. Take a break after every 45 minutes and concentrate on just one topic rather than thinking that I have so much of the syllabus left. What I feel is the best way to reduce stress is to laugh as much as you can. And all the very best.
Hello everybody, I'm Arushi Mehta and I would like to give you some ways how to deal with exam stress. One of them could be study regularly, that is study for at least 2 hours every day. That only includes self-study and not tuitions. Next could be stay focused and calm and be well prepared before exams. That is one of the most important ways how to deal with exam stress, because once you're confident, you will be able to give your exam a little better.
Exams, well, we've given quite a lot of them, and stress, we've gone through that right now due to our boards. Well, I'd say you shouldn't really stress out during your examinations, because that itself will affect your exam. You should be confident of what you know, and first thing, you should study throughout the year. That's the best way to be the least stressed and confident about your paper. During exams, it gets very frustrating, especially during boards, because of the date sheets that we get. You have long time spans, and while you might just see other pals enjoying, you have to be studying, and then also have to go on studying for entrance examinations. You have the pressure of checking out what you're going to do in the future. But it all passes by, and just you need to keep a strong head. During exams, the stress busters, I would say, would be walks, short walks, instead of checking out your phone. Keeping your phone away, that's something really important. Plus, I believe you guys should eat a lot of fruits instead of all the unhealthy things we eat during our exams just for stress, because practically everyone's been putting up weight during our exams. That's it. I think so. You guys should pace yourselves and brace yourselves.